Hey guys, if you are a massive Apple fan and probably don't have the cash to purchase one, then I have a solution how you can turn your Android phone just like an iPhone. So please stick on till the end, okay? Your Android phone can be just like the way how you are seeing on the screen, okay? So all you need to do is to watch, just stick on and watch the full tutorial, okay? I'll come back to you soon. Hey guys, my name is techsalieucyberking. I'm a digital marketer and also a mobile geek, okay? So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can customize your Android phone just like an iPhone, okay? So first what we need to do, we need to go to our Play Store, then search for an app called iOS 14, okay? For me, I have already installed the app, okay? So what we need to do first, we need to you need to search for the app iOS 14, okay? That's the app which I just opened. So once you open it like this, we just have to reload the launcher, okay? That is it. That is the app, okay? As you see. So all we need to do, we need to change we need to go to the default home app. We need to change the default app as iOS launcher, okay? So that is it. As you can see now, it's already set, okay? So that is it. This is the iOS 14, okay? So we need to also go to our Play Store, okay? We need also to go to our Play Store. We need also to go to our Play Store and also download the control center, okay? Yeah. Let us go to our Play Store, guys, and also try to download our control center, okay? So that is it. Play Store, okay? That is it. Play Store, okay? We also need to go and download the control center, okay? So let us search for control center, which I have already downloaded it, okay? Yeah. There are a lot of control centers. That is it. Control center iOS 14. I have already installed it, okay? So let us open it and do our little magic, okay? It's so simple. Let us try to first, what you need to do, you need to activate this one, okay? We need to like this one. Sorry, there are a lot of ads on this app, okay? Example, our control center, it depends where I want to put it. Top, left, as you seen it moving, right, bottom. So I prefer it to be right, okay? So that is it. Let us go back, okay? Let us go to the color. It depends which kind of color that you want to use, guys, as you're saying, okay? That is it. It is on the right, guys, if you do not see it, okay? Yeah, okay. This is the handle setting. It depends to the way I want to. It depends if you want to make it big, small, little, okay? So that is it. Position, it depends to the way where we want to position this one, okay? Our handle setting, it depends to where I want to set it, okay? So that is it, guys. Let us go to background, okay? Let us go to background, guys. If you want a background to be transparent, if you want it to be current paper, if you want to be default background, okay, it's all up to us, okay? So it depends on where we want to put it, okay? So but for me, let us leave it like that, okay? We can try it. It's up to you guys. So let's try as you see, okay? So default background. So as you see, screen blur background, okay? But let us leave it as this one.
𝐓𝐖𝐈𝐓𝐄𝐑
SCcyberking. Sorry, there are a lot of arts, guys. That is it, okay? So I prefer leaving it as default background, okay? So that is it, guys. Yeah, language, it depends which kind of language that you want to put, but for me, I prefer English, okay? So that is it. So this is it. So all we need to do again, we need to go to our Play Store again, download this 𝐓𝐿𝐹𝐿, okay? I have already installed it, okay? But you need to go, but for me to show you guys, let me go to again. Let me go to our Play Store, as you see, guys, okay? And download this one, 𝐓𝐿𝐹𝐿𝐹𝐿, guys. As you see in 𝐓𝐿𝐹𝐿, I have already installed it, okay? Sorry, I have already installed it. Let me see. Yeah, 𝐓𝐿𝐹𝐿𝐹 iOS 14, okay? Let me open it. So that is it, guys. Let me close this one again. There are a lot of arts, but it's so simple. Okay, as you see, size depend to the, if you want to mix this one, the color of the adhesive touch. So as you see, then guess what, save it. Okay, so that is it. It's so simple, guys. Okay, so that is it. This is the layout, guys. Okay, it depends which kind of color that you want to give the layout. So that is it. I have already saved that one again. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, like settings, you have to check all these ones, guys, but we need to activate this one. Okay, so that is it. This is all about background. Okay, this is everything, guys, about the app. The app is so simple. Okay, so that is it. Let us go back. Okay, so this is it. This is everything about the background. Now we have customized everything, guys. Okay, so as you seen, guys, now the control center, as you seen, sorry, you see it, guys. Now it's so simple. Okay, so what we need to do, if you don't want, like, if you want to hide this one, how do I say, if you want to hide this, our home buttons, like if you want to have a customized button, our home button, and also our back button, all we need to do is that we need to go to our settings, guys. Okay, sorry, we need to go our settings, guys. Also we go to this one, we go to system navigation, guys. You have to type like system navigation, guys. Sorry, okay, like the system navigations, to hide that one. Okay, for it to be perfect, just like an iPhone. Okay, as you seen, this one, it's so cool, guys. Okay, I prefer it. So that is it. I've changed the system navigation now, guys. Now as you see, now it's so cool. Okay, so now I'm only using this one, the home button. Okay, you see it, guys. So it depends on the way how you want it. Now if I want to, this is it. This is everything about the app, because I have already hide the system navigation. Okay, so that's it. This is all about the tutorial, guys. Okay, so if you find this video, also, guys, okay, for me, okay, I forgot one more thing. Okay, to make it more perfect, guys, you have to go to Google and also download an iPhone wallpaper. Okay, so for me, guys, I'm sorry, for me, I already got some which I downloaded. Sorry, like, sorry, guys, I just sorry, guys. Okay, for me, I got some wallpapers which I downloaded recently. Okay, so for you also, you can go there, guys. You see, okay, to make it more perfect, guys, you can just do it like this. Okay, which I downloaded, guys. Now it's so cool. Okay, just wait, guys, for you to see the wallpaper. Now it's so cool. Okay, that is it, guys. Okay, as you see now, your Android phone looks like just an iPhone. Okay, looks like exactly like an iPhone. Okay, so this is it, guys. So this is all about the tutorial, guys. Okay, so if you found this video more helpful, guys, so please don't forget, guys, to smash that subscribe button. Okay, for more videos like this. Okay, so this is it, guys. So you can also go to Google as well and also choose any type of, like, any type